I got out to the site and I'm kind of noticing a topo break. This is the start of the project boundaries. Right now I am trying to find the boundary of two different grasses, smooth brome and the reed canary grass, which from a distance look kind of similar. And smooth brome is an upland plant, and reed canary grass, the other one I'm looking for, is a wetland plant. So I'm thinking the wetland boundary is going to be kind of near that. And my auger says, use me. I'm helpful. So we take GPS points instead of lines because they're more accurate. So if we did a line, it would take 1 point from at least 5 different satellites. Looks like right now we actually have 24 satellites, so we're doing pretty well, but every second. But when we take points, we take at least 30 points for every one, and then we go back in the office and then we connect the dots later. And it's more accurate that way. When you put a flag in the ground, that's when you take a GPS point. You should always turn and look behind you where you've been and see if that line is the wetland line. So in a heavily wooded area, you might need to put a lot more flags in the ground. And we also have this ribbon which helps find stuff further. But if you're like on the roadside and it's a mowed path and it's pretty straight, you can go a lot further in between them. But mostly you just want to make sure you have enough points to connect the line. But I think I'm in basically the same topo break that I was before. I'm seeing, well, actually I'm going to step back a little bit, but there's some of the wetland plants are behind me, and in front of me I see mostly upland plants. That's why I'm placing the boundary where I am. So again, put the flag in the ground, take a point for 30 seconds. I am happy with where we've been putting our flags, so that's good. We don't have to go back and change any of them. So. Yay! Yay!